Today, customers expect a different type of relationship with companies. They reward brands that create friendlier ways to engage, allow faster ways to get answers to questions, and develop relevant resolutions to their issues. In such a scenario, companies need to find ways to get to the root of their customers' problems and get there faster. However, lack of visibility and access to information already existing in a different geography often leads to failure of product launches in new geographies. Manual translation and ad hoc porting aren't effective enough and slow down the entire incident resolution cycle. But what if a mechanism could understand what customers are saying in their own languages and geographies? What if you could identify and categorize similar incidents in different languages? What if you could improve resolution and response times and increase sales? Well, you could. Developed in association with IBM Core Components, HCL's Multilingual Incident Categorizer, or MIC, makes all these possible. The solution leverages IBM's tech stack, NLP APIs, mature language translation, and works on SoftLayer. It relies on data and knowledge repositories containing a data pool of product line details, launch details, supported languages, customer queries, comments, and clarifications for each new version of products. MIC is expected to improve mean time to resolve, or MTTR, by 5 to 10%, reduce solution identification time by 15 to 20%, and improve mean response time, or MRT, by 10%, based on past implementations. Other business benefits are better, quicker understanding of issues across locations, shorter support ticket queues, enhanced user satisfaction rates, predictable increase in product sales in new regions. So how does MIC do all of this? Let's take a look by signing in as administrator. The tool can host multiple projects or organizations together. As soon as you log in, it takes you to a dashboard. From here, you select the Support tab to access the MIC interface. Click on Multilingual Analysis, which is one of the two interfaces we will be looking at. Here, you can simply type in your question and select the language of your question from the list of languages the tool supports. Once you select the language, it becomes your local language. At this point, you also select the view from the drop-down list. Two tabs appear below: Local Analysis and Multilingual Analysis. If you've selected English as the local language, the tool will look for data sources in that language. When you select the Multilingual Analysis tab, it will look for relevant data in multiple languages. Let's ask MIC a question now. The moment we click on Analyze, a list of information from the data sources gets populated. When you switch to the Multilingual Analysis tab, a list of information available in different languages appears. As you can see, we have the same information in Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, French, etc. You can also specify the size and filter the languages to narrow down to the preferred resolution. Now let's take a look at the second interface, which is the Multilingual Query Analysis. Here we detect the language as the end user to select the language. Based on that, we try to provide the information in a clustered view. This view adds one more dimension to the question by providing relevant topics that may help you find related answers that will help in the problem resolution. Let's try this out. We type in a question, then we click Analyze. This will display information in a clustered format by breaking down the question into relevant topics. You can choose the cluster which you feel is closest to answering your problem statement. And for your convenience, you can toggle between the list view we saw earlier and the cluster view using the side select. What's more, you can also select any other language to view this information in, be it cluster view or list view. When you ask a question in another language, the tool doesn't require any language selection. It automatically detects the language and displays the topics in that particular language. In this case, Spanish. You can also switch to other languages to view the search results. Having seen the features and ease of using Mic, you will agree that this tool will be most beneficial to OEM support organizations, enterprise product and software companies across multiple domains. Thus, Mic is a valuable tool in helping your business grow by understanding your customers better, smarter, and faster.